Have you ever wanted to take a look underneath a Ferrari Testarossa? Let's check it out here. It's pretty cool. These things have manual steering. Check out how tiny that rack is. That's it. That's the whole steering rack right there. Peak 80 suspension. Short arm and long arm. Fixed calipers on the front. This is the actual floor of the car. There's no in-between or anything. Got the 2 fuel pumps. So pretty much this is controlled like 2 separate engines. One half of the V, one half of the cylinders is 6 on this side, one half is this. They both have their separate computers. 2 sets of everything pretty much. So you got 2 fuel pumps, one for each side. Fuel tanks right here. Fuel crossover. Giant oil filter. It's pretty cool. Looks like they have ports to tune individual banks and cylinders. There's no cats on this thing, I don't think. It smells rich as hell when it's running. This all looks factory, so I imagine there's no cats. Pretty cool. You got the transaxle right there. Brake ducting. Radiators are right here. That's what the actual fins on the side of the car are for. They suck in the air to the radiators. See them up in there. Mechanical smog pump. It's wild. Peak 80s right there. See the air injection check valves. It's just cool. This thing's cool. I like it. Let's go check out the top side. You got the frunk up here. Air intake for the HVAC. Fuse box in here. Actually, the problem with this car was the fuel pump relay socket was splayed out on circuit 87, so one of the fuel pumps wasn't running. Just tighten that socket up. Now both fuel pumps work again. Got the badass gated shifter. Totally 80s automatic seat belts. There you go. V12. You got your CIS. I think this is a K-tronic injection, if I remember right. Very similar to the Benz M120 when it had CIS on it. The distributors on each side. Distributor caps run off the cam. You can see I think this is a pulsation damper for the fuel pump and the fuel filter. Got one on each side. Oil tanks right there for the dry sump. You see the alternator up there. AC compressor. The 2 fuel distributors for each side. And the mechanical injectors are all through here. It's wild to think how far we come in the last 40 years with cars and fuel injection. And like I was saying, the fins on the car are actually functional. And direct air in there to the radiators. I like it. This car's cool as hell. Momo steering wheel.